Something new has arrived. I am now offering a bonus to the channel, an exclusive membership for all my YouTube dog timers. Now, I don't want anyone to get it twisted. This members only division is simply just a sidecar to everything else that I already offer. Think of the YouTube membership as strictly bonus content. Because look, we already have the DogTimes Patreon and it is going strong, and so I'm going to stay committed to that. That will always reign supreme. That currently is and shall remain the only place where I provide work feedback, I assign lighting challenges, we have daily conversations via our private Discord chat, and it's the only place that I provide an all-access pass to all the jobs that I book and taking everyone through that process, from pre-production to BTS on the day to analyzing the final image. So moving forward, the plan is to keep the YouTube membership not quite as cinematography specific like the DogTimes Patreon currently is. Now, this is not taking away anything from my regular scheduled weekly YouTube videos, and it's certainly not taking away anything from my DogTimes Patreon group. It's literally just bonus. So I've assigned 3 different levels to the YouTube membership. Level 1, the exclusive DogTimes crew members community. Here you will have early access 48 hours in advance to my weekly regular scheduled YouTube videos, and you will have access to the exclusive posts that are only available to the members only side over on the community tab. You'll also be awarded with custom DogTimes badges and emojis that I created that you'll be able to use on the comments and on the live streams. And finally, all members will be given a shout out at the end of every weekly YouTube video. Level 2, a weekly members only live stream. Cinematography Hour is back, baby. Now, this was something that I started on the Clubhouse a while back. I don't know if someone else took over the room or what, but I was the originator of Cinematography Hour. I don't know if it still exists. However, I found out real quick after only doing it 3 Fridays in a row that Clubhouse just isn't really my thing. However, my intention is that I definitely want to bring Cinematography Hour back exclusively here on the YouTube. Each week, I was inviting a different guest, and then, people in the audience could ask questions regarding cinematography or filmmaking or whatever the topic was. So sometimes we will have a special guest, and other times it will just be me, and we'll be riffing off of whatever the topics are of that day. But either way, it will be live, and all members will have the opportunity to have their filmmaking questions answered. And don't forget, all Level 2 members have access to all the perks of Level 1 as well. Okay, now finally here comes the craziest one, and probably my favorite is Level 3, the members only weekly vlog. Now, these are gonna be completely different from any videos I release anywhere else. And they will be completely random and different every single week. Sometimes it may consist of behind the scenes, maybe some bloopers. If I can figure out how to use the dumb lens cap. How the f***? Maybe some shenanigans.
Hey,
Don't get weird.
Hey, Davies.
It's kind of sweet.
Everyone be
Think
cool.
like a little spoon.
Everyone be cool.
Hey, none of that.
Maybe just a look into the LA life.
Look, there's someone like videotaping on that 4th from the top. Oh, they're just sitting there drinking, looking out the window.
At us?
I thought that building was closed.
It's supposed to be.
There's someone in that window. You see
It's a
it?
ghost, bro.
Ain't a ghost.
It's a ghost in the Cecil. Maybe sometimes it will be me reflecting on things I learned from working on sets that week, or maybe even a specific piece of gear that I found super beneficial from whatever gigs I was working on set that week. Or maybe just a combination of all of those things. Again, keep in mind that each level of membership includes all the perks from all previous levels. Now, when I say behind the scenes, it's much different than from the behind the scenes all access pass that we do over on the DogTimes Patreon weekly videos. So I cannot stress this enough. The level 3 members only weekly vlogs will be its own thing entirely. Something completely separate from the DogTimes Patreon. But here's the thing, I don't want any of you to feel like you're missing out on anything. Again, this is just bonus. So a key thing to remember is that the DogTimes Patreon is much more career related, whereas the YouTube membership is going to be something more personable. So the level 3 won't always necessarily be about cinematography, or maybe sometimes not even filmmaking, I don't know. It's gonna be more of a grab bag, but definitely exclusive to members only. I just wanted to offer a little something extra as a kickback to all my loyal fans and supporters of the YouTube channel that may not be interested in a full-on Patreon experience. So if you're interested, you will find the join button down below right next to that subscribe button. And if you're on an iPhone, you may not find it, but you will be able to see it on any MacBook or desktop computer, and of course Android devices as well. So I'm very excited to be expanding what I do here. Thank you all for the support, and I will see you soon.